Supporting clinicians through complaints. All doctors will likely be subject to at least one significant complaint during their career. They can involve any of us at any time. NHS digital data shows that in 2020 to 2021, 40% of written complaints in NHS England directly involved a medical professional. We know that this can significantly impact a clinician's personal and professional well-being, with those involved in a complaint reporting more likely to engage in defensive practice, including avoidance of certain procedures and patients. We recently surveyed 745 MDU members to learn more about their experiences of the complaints process. Whilst everyone will have their own way of dealing with a particular complaint at a particular time, there are some common sources of support our members report turning to. These are mostly colleagues and defence organisations, with some involving supervisors, clinical leads and practice managers depending on their role. Family and friends can also be a valuable source of support. It is clear that everyone will have a different experience of support when going through a complaints process. These are some pertinent points raised by our members. We followed these up with focus group interviews to see how we could better support our members, and here's what they had to say.
I didn't know what to expect from the process, so clear step-by-step guidance and templates would have been very helpful.
I felt poorly supported by my trust, but thought I could deal with it alone. I would have benefited from someone to check in with who was not so closely involved in the process.
It would be useful to hear others' experiences, to know what to expect and to destigmatise complaints. I'd need time to process it first before feeling comfortable opening up to others though.
It can feel like a big step to contact your defence organisation. I initially avoided doing so as I thought there was no need. I'm glad I changed my mind as they can help in so many ways.
Driven by input from our members, we have developed 3 areas to improve support. The first being creation of a complaints toolkit containing useful information in an easily accessible format on our website. This includes a step-by-step overview of what is involved in a complaints process, information specifically tailored for clinicians and those who they may approach for support, templates that can be downloaded to help when writing a response and subsequent appraisals, signposting to high-quality wellbeing support to help members find an approach that works for them, case studies and frequently asked questions to help address uncertainties, and finally, e-learning as an interactive tool to support ongoing learning. In recognising the value of being able to talk to someone who has had a similar experience, we have expanded our peer support network. Our medico-legal advisors can support you in the initial stages of processing a complaint, but if and when you are ready, they can connect you with trained peers who can be a good ear to talk to, all from the comfort of your own home. With a rapidly expanding network, there will be many other people who have been in a similar position. We know that making the first step can be scary, which is why we are on a mission to encourage more open conversations around medical complaints. After all, they can involve any of us at any time. If you would like to find out more, please contact us via our telephone line, website or social media. Thank you for watching.